Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and make us a 7-Up pound cake because, baby, I'm hungry. First, I'm going to go ahead and get me 4 sticks of softened butter that I put out before I left for work. And I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar. And I'm going to mix this very, very well. When I say very well, about 12 to 15 minutes well. And throughout, make sure you scrape the sides of the bowl down and keep mixing. Okay, I went ahead and changed bowls because it wasn't mixing very well. I tried to get it to where y'all can see, but I need to make sure the cake come out. So it needs to look just like this. Okay, then I want to go ahead and give me some lime and lemon zest and add that in here. Then I'm going to take me a half of a lemon, squeeze that in there like that. And a dash of my Mexican vanilla. And then just a little bit of the lemon since I got so much lemon going on already. All right, we'll go ahead and blend that in, and I'm going to add in 5 eggs. And these are room temperature. Everything that I'm using, guys, everything is going to be room temperature. I'm going to put my 5th egg in and mix that very well. And just remember, one by one. I did go ahead and put in a little baking powder, a little bit of salt, 3 cups of flour, and 7-Up, 2 cups. And you just always want to make sure you go flour, then a little bit of 7-Up. You go back and forth until it's done, starting with your flour and mixing very well until it's combined. You don't want to mix it too much. And spoon and mix that in. You don't want to overbeat it. And it should look like that. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my pan with a little bit of that baking joy. Very well, and then I'll go ahead and just add my batter into the pan, spinning that so that I can try to get it as even as possible. Then I'm going to take my spatula and I'm just going to try to even it out some more while shaking it and spreading it at the same time. Because you want your cake to come out as even as possible and not lopsided. Shaking a little bit more. Then I'm going to go ahead and just try to wipe off a little bit of that excess that got on. And put my oven on 325 and put it in the oven. Bake it for about an hour and 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and make this icing real quick. I'm just going to use some powdered sugar. I think I got a little bit of this zest left I'm going to add in there. And then just a tad bit of that vanilla. And then instead of milk, I'm going to use 7-Up since we're making a 7-Up cake to mix this. You want to put just a little bit because it will get too thin and you don't want your icing too thin. Okay, get it to the consistency that you like and set it to the side. Once your cake is done and it has cooled off, then you're going to go ahead and just pour that icing right on top. And boom, you got 7-Up pound cake. All right.